Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS links, and right now we'll be discussing about how to use the 4 CSS link states and have something responsive, have something nice. So right here, as you can see, we are having the 4 states in our document. We are having a colon link, we are having a colon visited, a colon hover, and also a colon active. And also I want you to note one thing right here. When setting the style for several link states, there are some other rules that you must follow. That is, when you specify a colon over must come after a colon link and a colon visited. And also, when you are specifying a colon active must come after a colon hover. So these states is very important to this link you are going to all this you are going to see right here now. So I want you guys to be active with this because this is so important to us. We have to discuss about it because it's so important. So you have to every time you should be aware of this, that when you are specifying hover must come after link and come after visited. And also when you are specifying active must come after hover. So I'm going to be showing you how all this works together now. Let's say for instance now we want to specify link state. So let's go to our document. To specify link state in our document, we are going to specify, this one is what we got previously. Right now I want to specify link state. I will specify a colon link. When I specify a colon link right here, you can give it something. So what can I give it? I can give it red. Let me just give it color red. So when I give it color red, let's see what will happen now. Let's reload our document. Can you see it override the first value we got? Don't you forget that it override what? The first value we are having right here. So definitely you may remove this one or you may leave it, just depend on what you want to do. Just be active, know what you are doing. That is the main benefit. So definitely this is the first state in our link. So the second state in our link right here is that, let's say for instance now when you are clicking this one now, nothing is going to happen because it's going to be the default state. That is, it's going to be like this default state. You can even carry all this right here and paste it inside here and remove all this one at once, and still it's still going to work as well. Can you see? Now we are having this, and you can just change this white to red if you want, or change it to any color you want. It's the same. Can you see? When we hover on it, nothing is happening yet, right? That is the first state of our link. Can you notice what is happening there? Right now, even when we click anything, nothing is going to happen. Can you see? It's going to have the default state. This is like default state. So the second state also is what? Let me show you the second state. The second state is visited. So the visited is after we click, let's say for instance now, let's go to the guidelines. The guideline is telling us that the hover must come after a link and after a visited link. So I'm going to show you this. Let's say for instance now right here, I want to confuse you guys so we can get to understand something right here now. So let's say we are going to use this visited now, the visited state. So let's use the visited state, a colon visited. When I use a colon visited, curly braces, I give it color white. I'm going to give it color white again. After giving it color white, give it background color of let me give it background color of lemon, of lime. Yes, lime. So I'm going to give it background of lime. Let's reload our document and see what we got. When I reload my document now, can you see? Nothing is happening yet, but let's carry our mouse on it. Can you see? When I hover on it, it's not working. It's not showing us anything. This is visited, right? So when I now click it, let's click it now. When I click it, when I come back, it's supposed to show me something, but it's not showing me because I've already visited this link. Why is it not showing me? I'm now going to show you the reason. The reason why it's not showing you, the first reason is that this link you are keeping inside your HTML right here must be active. That is, it must not be a file that is nowhere to be found. Like now, let's say for instance now we click this one. Now it's taking us to a file not found. So it must be a file that your computer can be found. So I'm going to create a file that it will be able to find. Now let me carry this name, file1.html. so I'm carrying the name. Let me this one right here, I'm going to rename this file right here to file1.html. so this definitely we are linking to this file right here. From this one we are coming to this place. So let's see what is inside this. Let's see what is inside this one quickly, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Inside this one we are having welcome back, CEO, and all those crap. This is what we are having inside this one now, as you can see. So I just want you guys to know, be aware of this. We are having welcome back inside it. So this is the file we are coming to. So right here, now let's get back to our document and reload. Now let's click it. When I click it, it's now taking me to welcome back, CEO Anwar, right? When I now come back, can you see? Now we are having clicked me. We are having this click me that has turned to green. Let's see for instance now, the click me back to the document right here. This is our document. Let me close this one. This is our document right here now. Let's say for instance now I want to do some things. Let's say this color right here, I want to change it to red. The background color, I want it to change to red after I visited the link. After I visited the link gave me this lime color background. But right now, let's say let me reload now. After I visited it, can you see it automatically detected that it is red now? So let's say for instance now, because we have already visited the link, that's why. Let's change this color to another one. Let's change it to black. Let's just change it to black. Automatically it will change to black. Can you see it changed to black? So that's how you should know that this visited is working now, because we have already clicked the link. Let's practice this again now so you guys can see how it works again. Back to our link again. Let's see for instance this is our link. So let's change this file name to file2. Let's just write file2. When I save my document and reload, can you see now we are having this blue background? The blue background is coming from where? It's coming from a link. It's coming from a link, which is the first default status. But after we click the link, we want it to change the background color to change from blue to black. So that's what we want to do. So now let's go and click the link. Now that's the benefit of using the visited. Let's click it. When we click it, as you can see, it took us to this file, but the file is nowhere to be found, right? Now when we come back here, this is supposed to change to black, but it's not turning to black because the file is nowhere to be found. So it's confirming it to us that the file is nowhere to be found. So you guys have to create the file so that you can be able to see that this is going to work nicely. So now the file name that we are heading to is what? Is file2.html. Now let's go and create the file. Let's come to our page right here. Let's turn this file right here to file2.html. Let's rename it to file2.html. Now when I reload my document, now let me reload my document immediately. When I reload, let's reload. When I reload, like, can you see nothing is happening yet? But now when I click it, because we are able to find the file, can you see we are having welcome back, CEO and akorede. When I go back now, it's going to turn to black. Can you see? Now it's turning to black. So that's what I want you guys to do. The blue turn to black immediately. That is the same thing that is going on everywhere you are. So I want you guys to be aware of these two things. These two is working nicely now. In our next tutorial, I'm still going to discuss about the remaining two states we have, because if I keep continuing like this, this video will get too long. And while akorede ayofe is my name once again, I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much.